What's up guys, TNT Anglers back with another video. Today, me and my roommate Justin are out here at a local spot that my dad and his friend showed me. It's about an hour and a half away from school, and me and him decided to get up this morning and come out here to try to catch some smallmouth for you guys. It's probably about 7:30 or so. Today's high is going to be about 84 degrees, so it's not too bad, but the water's just right down there. It's Labor Day weekend, so we thought we'd get out here, try to catch some fish for you guys. Ty, sadly, isn't here with us today. He went home for the weekend to visit family, but we're gonna get out there. I'm probably gonna start with a Ned rig with a PB&J TRD that I picked up, and Justin's probably gonna start with like a tube, like a red and greenish tube. But let's get after it. Alright, so I hope you guys can hear me pretty good. Right here's what we're dealing with. Some waterfalls right here, but it's looking pretty good. I got the Ned rig set up with the PB&J TRD, so let's hope we can get something. Oh, this. Now right there, that is probably the smallest bass I've ever caught in my life, but it's a smallmouth. That's what we're here for, and they seem to be eating the PB&J Ned rig. Dude, look at this thing. That's a smallmouth though. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Literally. Alright, let's get the release on this giant. Nice. There's one. They want the Ned rig. Not big, but that's what we're here for. Even these little guys put up a fight. Right there. It's a little bigger than the last one, to be honest, but still not bigger than my hand. Alright, let's get them back in. Alright guys, so we're taking a little snack break. We brought some protein bars with us. But the first spot was a success. I landed 2 fish on the PB&J Ned rig. They weren't bigger than my hand, but they were still a fish, and that's what we came here for. But we're gonna take this railroad all the way down a little bit, and then we're gonna pop down in some pockets and fish some deep holes and hopefully get on some more. But I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna get going. Catch you there. All right, so Justin hooked up over here on this rock. That's honestly 2 times the bigger than mine. Let's go. Let me hold it. It's a little dude, but I switched him up to the Ned rig with the PB&J TRD that I was using, and he was getting bites over here, and then he finally pulled this one in. So let's get the release. There he goes. Oh, dude. Justin just hooked up to a rock bass.
Barely got that.
So he caught his first smallmouth ever, and now his first rock bass ever. That little guy. They don't get that big, so this is a little chunky guy. Hope you guys can hear me with the wind, but we're gonna get the release. There he goes. There's one. Dude, Justin, this is a good one. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Yes. Let's go. What a fish. Still not giant, but that's about a 12-incher. It's got something weird on its tail. That's a beautiful fish right there. Caught it, casted right on that rock. Came around and it hit it pretty hard. I haven't smallmouth fished too much, so this is probably up there with one of my biggest smallmouth that I've caught. I'd say that'd pass for close to 11 or 12 inches. I don't know what's wrong with its tail, it's kind of weird. But what a fish. Smallmouth are so fun to catch, especially when you're out here in a stream. They don't get very big, but I mean, some of them can. But this is a great creek smallie right here. I love catching these things. Alright, Justin just hooked up to another rock bass. It's a little bigger than his last one. He actually caught one over there on that big rock, and I wasn't recording when we went over it, but he ended up catching this one when we moved down. Chunky dude. Right there he is. On this Ned rig, PB&J, that's what we've been using today. Let's get the release. Alright, so successful day at this first part that we came to today. I think we caught around 10 fish or so. So right now we're just walking this path all the way back to the car, and then we're gonna eat some lunch, and then we're gonna hit one more spot on the way back. Probably just fish there for an hour or so. So if we end up catching something, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video there. I decided to wait and do the outro until we got back to the apartment. But it was a successful day on the water. Me and Justin caught a combined of like 10 fish. It felt great to catch a smallmouth again. It's been about 3 months probably over summer since I caught a smallmouth, so that was pretty cool. Right now we're just kind of chilling. I'm uploading the clips to the laptop right now, watching some football. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out our Instagram, leave a like on this video, and subscribe for more. Peace out.